friends, this video we are going to look how we can enable this search. Okay, search menu is showing under, right? So this search option in a default way Oppo mobile it's not available. So in this video we are going to look how we can enable for the search menu, okay, for the Oppo mobile. Okay, let me see what you need to do. Because normally if you're tracking and selecting for the application, it will take a time. If it is available for search menu, automatically you can click over there and you have to search whatever you want. So in order to enable that search option, what you need to do, just you can click from the home screen. Okay, from here it's available now: wallpaper, icon, widgets, layout, transitions and more. Okay, just you can click more. Okay, from here lot of things will be available. Okay, and at the bottom if you're looking, show screen on home screen, show search on home screen. Okay, so you required for search, so just you can enable this one. Automatically it will be appear for the search option over here. Okay, just you can come back, just you can click this one. If you want to go for settings, you can go. Suppose if you want to select for WhatsApp, you can select. Suppose if you want Facebook, just you can select it. Okay, this is a way you can search and get for the application whatever you're keeping in your home screen. I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watching. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.